Okay, I'm going to install the heated visor connector on this 2005 Rev, part number 861-508-300. 861-508-300. Welcome back to the channel, guys. This is Ryan, and I'm Sometimes Now. And first thing we got to do is we got to make sure we're going to go right here, right in the center here. We're going to put this, and we're going to look underneath. I'm going to look up inside there. Look up in there. That's where we're going to come down through, is right here. So there's nothing in the way, so the drill bit isn't going to hit anything. This is out of the way, so we're good. So now we'll be able to drill right into here. So this is what comes with the kit. It comes with the connector. When you put it up through, you're going to put this on there like that. Put it up through, and then you're going to screw this on. And the reason why you're going to a larger bit is this sits down inside the hole. And this is a 15/32 drill bit. So when you drill that in there, it's going to be, you're going to put this cap on. So, and then it comes with your 90 degree if you want to leave that plugged in like that. So let's drill that hole, and then we'll get this plugged in, and then we'll go on the other side and plug it into the factory harness. Let's just be safe because I don't want to screw it up. So I'm going to go right in the center. Here's that. I'm going to go with a smaller drill bit first. Maybe I need some light. Maybe I need a little light on the subject. Oh yeah. There, so you take the ground, put it like that, and then put it up through, and then have the wiring go across like this. And then you take this little cover, you screw that on, and this is going to set right down inside that hole and center it. Put the cap on her. Now you know what? We're going to leave this. We're going to do this. There. There. So there's that. And now we go on the other side and we will plug that in. Okay. So let's see if I can get you a good picture in there without blinding you. So here's the factory wire that it's going to plug into. It's a 2-pronger. Okay, so take this. Let's see, what do we got here? There it is. There we go. She's plugged in. Factory specs. I'll just take that zip tie, and I think I'm going to zip tie it to some stuff there. Ain't not a whole lot of room, huh? Probably should have done this when I had the top cowl off. Oh. There. Whew. Let me cut that off. Set that up. There we go. There, it's up out of the way. Not gonna rub on anything. Everything's good. That's good. This is good. These are all good. All right. Well, we're all done. Well, you can see this. You can see the two-stroke haze in the air. Last but not least, we're going to put a set of mirrors. My wife, it's going to leave a mark. We're going to put a set of mirrors on the old girl. My wife wants a set of mirrors, so says she needs the mirrors so she can keep an eye on me when I'm lagging behind. So these are from Sport Parts and Company. Part number 574447. 574447. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is we're going to pop these caps out. There, got those caps out. Now, it doesn't. Oh, there we go. There we go. I'm not using this apparently. Nope. I'm not using it. It goes in just like that. Alright, so we're going to drop the screw down in there. Put the nut on her. And I believe that it's a 10 millimeter and possibly an 8. Nope, 2 10s. All right. Got her all there, and then you just put this plug in. There. Do the same thing with this one. What are we looking at? What are we looking at? Got the plug, got the screw, get rid of this thing, and we put this in. Okay, let me just drop this down in there. Come on. Come on. Oh, this one's a little tougher to get to. Oh. That one's a little bit tougher to get to. I lost that plug again. Well, that thing was just trying to get away today. Make sure she's tight. Tighter. There. That's it. Once we put this plug in, this is it. This project is done. Well, thanks for sticking with me on this project. I hope you enjoyed it. Maybe you got something out of it, but if not, it's just entertainment to sit and watch, have somebody go through a sled. So everything's all done now. This is ready to ride. Only thing I gotta do is I gotta put the registration stickers on it, and I'm gonna slap a "Sometime Is Now" decal on her front windshield just for, she's gonna have to let me, for working on her sled. So, got the electric shield plug installed, mirrors installed, 96 studs, 2 in each lug. And the list goes on. I polished the tunnel a little bit to get some of the dullness out of it. Redid the clutches, cleaned them all up. I rebuilt I didn't show it on the camera, but I rebuilt the steering rack as well. Put all brand new bushings in that. It was hard to get in there with a camera and me be in there and work, so I didn't end up filming that. But it's all done now, so let's start her up. There it is. I want to thank everybody again for sticking around. I'm glad some of you guys, I know you guys were making comments as far as how you enjoyed this. And it's a nice little project. I haven't worked on a Rev since I had my 03 and 04, so it's actually it's good to kind of remember stuff, and some of the stuff that I actually I wasn't used to these clutches, especially the primary, because being kind of a Comet style instead of the TRA, so I had to kind of that was a little bit you know, I had to learn that. So, but got the new snow filters installed. Got a few fasteners that were missing. I got those put in there on the fan shroud because the fan shroud was loose on the motor. So new spark plugs, new shocks. As you can see, new U-shocks, should I say, they're rebuildable. All rebuilt, front and back. So keep an eye on us. We'll be out on the trail this winter, and hopefully she gets many years of enjoyment out of this. So thank you, and on to the next one.